Hi, and thank you for joining me. I'm Lisa Brown, Stamp with Lisa Brown, on my Savi Sunday, Stamping and Various Inspirations. Today I'm going to show you how to make a little pillow box, a little gift box that fits a gift card or a couple little chocolates, any other little object that you want to put in there, like maybe a little zip drive, anything of that nature. And our pillow box is also going to feature the Poinsettia Place product suite. It's a beautiful, beautiful product suite, available in the August to December 2020 mini catalog, aka, as I call it, the holiday catalog. And this product suite comes with a pack of 12 by 12 papers. You get a total of 12 sheets. This beautiful plush poinsettia specialty paper, it's flocked paper, and it comes in 3 designs. You get a total of 6 sheets, a stamp set with coordinating dies, and there's a die in here that will actually cut out the poinsettia that's in the papers, some beaded pearls, and a spool of ribbon, and there's 10 yards on this ribbon. So just a beautiful product suite. So let's go ahead and get started in forming our pillow box. We need a piece of paper that is 5.5 by 5. So I'm using our thick Whisper White because I am making a little gift box. I want it a little more sturdy. So I just cut my paper in half, which is 5.5. And then I'm going to turn it this way and cut it to 5 inches. Now I'm going to turn it back to the 5.5 inch side, and I'm going to score it over here at a 1/2 inch. And then I'm going to bring my paper down on this side, and we're going to score it at 2.5. And I'm going to get my trimmer out of the way. So the next thing I want to do is we need to make little arcs in our box. So I'm going to bring in a little foam mat, the largest oval die, and a pencil. And I'm going to line this up, almost touching the top up here, making sure that I'm, my oval die is as straight as I can get it without measuring. I want to do this without making it too hard and making measurements. So I'm almost to the top, and then I'm just going to take my pencil and draw that arc. Now I drew the arc from score line to score line. I'm going to flip this over, and I'm going to do the same thing to the other side. Again, drawing my line from score line to score line. Okay, so then I'm going to fold this in the middle score line. I'm just going to fold this back, give it a little bit of a press, and now I'm going to cut out on that arc, and it's going to cut both sides of the pillow box. Okay, the next thing we want to do is we want to add in scores so that our flaps fold in on our pillow box. So I'm just going to go back to that same die, and I'm going to work in the opposite direction. So I'm going to lay this down here, and I'm just going to take my edge of my die and meet up to, there's a score line here, and then to this point here. And I'm going to almost go all the way up and touch both of them. Not quite touching them, because I want to take my pick tool, remove my paddle, and I'm going to put in my stylus adapter. And we're going to create our score marks and give those nice presses. I'm just going to run it along my die all the way over. And I'm going to do that on each part of the box. Okay. Now we have our scores done. I just have a little 1/2 inch circle punch, and on one side you want to form little tabs. So we're just going to go in and put in little thumb tabs on the same side, just like so. And then I want to fold in on our 1/2 inch score line. I can get rid of my mat now. And I'm going to take my bone folder and just give this a little bit of a crease. Take my liquid multi-purpose glue, and I'm going to add some glue to that edge. You could also use your scoring tape here. And we're going to close our box. Just simply fold it right over on there and give that a good press. And there's your box formed. Give it a little pop open like so. And we're going to fold in down on those score lines. I'm just going to work them just a little bit with my finger. And we're going to press those in. Just like so. And then we can press this side in. You can give it a little pinch at the ends. And then we're going to do the same thing over here, folding these in. And pinching that down. If you pinch the corners a little bit, that really helps that too. And there is your pillow box. Okay, we're going to add some decoration to our pillow box, and I've grabbed the sheer real red ribbon from the Poinsettia Place product suite, and I'm just going to wrap it around and tie it off. If you want to tie it into a knot there and just have the ribbon hanging, you can do that. But I think I am going to make a little bow and see how that adds to our pillow box when I put a little top piece. Because obviously you can leave it just as so with the ribbon on there. But I have pre-cut the poinsettia dies in our brushed metallic paper, and I just glue dotted them together. I did some leaves, and I have some dimensionals already on the back, and we can add this to the front of our pillow box and have that ribbon over top. Okay, and I'll pop that back out. Okay. Isn't that a cute little gift wrap there? I love it. You can also add a little tag on there and give it out as a gift. But this would make a great little place setting also for your holiday table. So I hope you enjoyed this Savvy Sunday video on how to make a pillow box. Be sure that you are subscribed to my YouTube channel, Lisa Brown, Stamp with Lisa Brown, and press that little bell to get notifications every time I upload a new video. Have a great day.